Hi guys, mabuhay! Welcome to Naomi's Filipino Kitchen. Today's recipe is beef humba, a beef stew Filipino style. Here are the ingredients of today's recipe: beef, garlic, bay leaves, brown sugar, onion, soy sauce, ground black pepper, and 7-Up. This is very easy dish to cook. In cold pa, just add all the ingredients. First thing you have to do is put the beef, garlic, bit of sugar, onion, bay leaves, 7-Up, soy sauce, pinch of ground black pepper, mix it up. Cover and simmer on a low heat. And let the ingredients work their magic. After an hour of cooking on a low heat, the liquid has reduced down into a lovely sticky sauce. Beef humba is now ready. Serve with rice and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. Please subscribe to our channel. More recipe to follow. Thanks for watching. See you soon.